Okay, so this tutorial is on how to connect your ORM two-factor authentication or 2FA using Google Authenticator. So if you are an Android user, no, punta po kayo sa Play Store. But if you are an iOS user, punta ka sa App Store and then you search for Google Authenticator. So yung icon niya is ito, makita natin para asterisk pero may kulay Google na blue, red, green, and yellow yung color at may pangalang Google Authenticator. Okay, so you click install and then minsan it asks for for you to log into your Google account. Okay, just proceed and follow the instruction until it is installed. So once it is installed, just click on get started. No, i-click mo yung get started sa gitna and then click proceed. So after that, you can see, you can open your authenticator, makikita niyo. Ito sa akin mayroon ng may mga may mga naka-connect na mga accounts po dito. So babalikan natin yan mamaya. So ngayon, once since you have installed already your Google Authenticator, so balik po tayo sa ating ORM account. So as you can see here, makita natin connect to factor authentication button. Click on it. Pagkatapos you click enable. Okay, dun guys, no? So you can see a QR code at saka yung text na naka-hidden. So just click on the eye icon para makita natin yung text. So kailangan natin ma-capture. Pwede kayo mag-take ng screenshot ng QR code nyo para gagamitin natin to for recovery in case mawala yung phone natin. So you save it, pwede mong isend sa email yan or send to your other messenger account. And gusto kong kopyahin natin tong text na to. Just click on this text, so press and hold hanggang lalabas itong copy, copy button. So click on copy, kopyahan natin to. So once na copy na to, so please also save this code, pwede mo i-send through email. This is for recovery. So dalawa yung option natin for recovery, pwedeng QR code at saka pwede yung text, For the QR code lang, if you're using two devices, so pwede mo gamitin yung QR code kasi you can just scan it, Pero if you're using a single device, mas mabuti gamitin natin yung text, yung key. So once na-save na natin yung QR code at saka yung key, please check this box, I wrote down or memorize the code for Google Authenticator. So after that, you click next. Click natin yung next, Okay. Now, after clicking next, it will ask for the 6-digit code generated from your Google Authenticator. So, wag mo i-close ito. Balikan natin yung Google Authenticator app natin. Di ba? So, ito. Click natin itong Google Authenticator. Pagkatapos, again, kanina, the first time na-install po natin yung Google Authenticator, mayroong get started sa gitna. So, i-click lang natin yon and then just click proceed. Now, after that, you can see, sa bottom, right? Sa bottom at the right part, yung plus sign. Makita natin itong plus sign. So, just click on the plus sign na sa bottom right and then you have the option. It's either you can scan the QR code, yung nakuha natin kanina, if you're using two devices, or enter a setup key. So, in this case, gagamitin natin yung enter a setup key. So, remember, nakopya ko na yan kanina, di ba? Nakopy ko na yan kanina. So, I will just click on this enter setup key. Okay? And I will paste that one. Yung kinopya ko kanina, I will paste it here sa key. Ito na, nakopya na. Lagyan ko ng account to. So, halimbawa, this is an ORM Z, This is my other account. Then, yung type of key is time-based, That is as is. Pagkatapos, click add. So once you click add, okay, makikita natin, no, sa baba, no, Aurum Zeus, no. Nakikita na natin itong 6 digit number. Now on the right side is makita natin yung timer. This is a 20 seconds timer. So para hindi tayo maubusan ng oras, hintayin natin na mabuo yung bagong circle before natin i-memorize or kopyahin itong 6 digit number na to. So in this case, no, for Aurum Zeus, 521303. So puntahan ko yung ano natin, yung account ko kanina, di ba? Ito yung iniwan natin. So I will enter the code, no? The 521303. So remember guys, dapat within the 20 seconds, kaya kailangan natin na bago pa nabuo yung circle before natin i-click confirm para masiguro na hindi tayo maubusan ng oras. So yun, okay na. So as you can see here, your two-factor authentication is on. So pwede ka magbalik sa balik po kayo sa dashboard. Okay? Dito kayo sa dashboard ngayon, so wala nang authenticator. So every time mag-log out po kayo guys, no? Every time kung hindi kayo mag-log out, hindi na kailangan yung authenticator, di ba? So halimbawa, punta ka sa live trading or punta ka sa financial proposal, wala nang two-factor authenticator. But if you log out ka, okay, then you log in again, okay, it will ask again for the authenticator code. So balik ka doon sa sa apps mo, and then yung pangalan, take note kung marami kang Aurum account just like me, remember the name kasi nilagyan ko ng pangalan kanina yan, Aurum Zeus. So the number is 588778. So balikan ko itong account ko. So i-enter ko itong bagong code 588778. So kailangan na within the 20 seconds ma-enter mo yan. So that's it, no? So just follow the instructions to connect your Go 2FA sa Aurum with Google Authenticator.